Hello and welcome back to another cocktail recipe video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos on cocktail recipes, bar reviews and distillery tour. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the variations based on the Long Island iced tea. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link them below or you can check them up somewhere up here. So let's depart from a Long Island iced tea and travel down to the coast for a Miami iced tea. In this fruitier version, my trusty old friend Tequila goes on a hike, and let's bring our new friend the pitch snaps or the pitch liqueur. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's take a hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you add, or you could take any other glass. Let's add some ice. And let's start adding the spirits. So let's add about 15 ml of your vodka. You could use any preferred spirits. There you go. 15 of your tequila, 15 of your gin. I forgot my old friend is on a hike. 15 of your white rum. There you go. 15 of the triple sec. 15 of the pitch liqueur, my new friend up here. There you go. And 15 of your simple syrup. There you go. And 15 ml or one lime of one fresh lime, whichever you have at home. So let's add some fresh lime juice. I would add, I think, one full lime. My lime is a bit small. There you go. Cranberry juice. It's just like your Long Beach iced tea. But you know, my new friend is up here. There you go. And a dash of your Sprite. So to complete a drink, you could garnish it with a lime wedge or a lime wheel. I think I'll just go with a lime wedge. Put it for the glass. There you go. Do not forget your straw. Cheers guys. That's your Miami iced tea. It's a perfect drink for a summer. Let me try. Wow. This is so interesting guys. My new friend up here changes everything. If you want to know how does this taste, you gotta grab one or try one yourself. So thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to say in the next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So that's a wrap for the video guys. Peace. Enjoy.